Did you know? Here's the DCF620B, and I'm going to show you how to change it out with the correlated screw attachment, the DCF6202. The easy toolless change out makes this task really simple, and I'll get you back up and working real fast. Then on the back of a tape measure, you have these dimensions. Now that dimension is the front to the back of the tape measure. So when measuring inside to inside, you take that reading on your tape here plus the dimension right there, and that'll give you your total measurement. Celebrating International Tape Measure Day with Dewalt's new Atomic Compact Series tapes with the easiest locking lever I've ever used. Here we got the Dewalt Atomic Compact Series, and in this case we got the 3/8 impact wrench, 1/4 inch impact driver, and a 1/2 inch impact wrench, all nice and compact. Here's the DCF 923 3/8 impact wrench from Dewalt. It's part of their Atomic Compact Series. This drill has 4 different speed settings, including precision wrench and timber screw. You can light up your work surface with these 2 light settings, and with the drill being 2.4 pounds, it'll make it easy to work with all day. Here's a first look at the DCN 701 cable stapler from Dewalt. Battery powered. Load your staples in here. Light to illuminate your space. Nice and small to get in between the studs. Here are the 1-inch insulated cable staples for the cable stapler gun from Dewalt. They come in strips like this, and all you got to do, load them in the gun, lock them in, and you're ready to shoot. Here is the Dewalt DCS335 variable speed jigsaw. With an LED to light up your work surface, quick change for your blades, barrel grip for ease and comfort. This thing is a great jigsaw to own. I'm using the DCS335 cordless variable speed jigsaw here to demonstrate how to plunge cut. First off, get your foot on the surface you want to plunge cut, and then slowly drive that blade all the way through till it pops in. And once you're through, it's good to go.